Welcome back to KnowloFacts. In today's episode, we're exploring groundbreaking tools designed to elevate your productivity. Join us as we showcase gadgets that combine innovation with practicality, making them ideal for any project. Meet the RYOBI 18-volt 1 plus AirStrike 16 GA finish nailer, a cordless powerhouse crafted for smooth, precise finishing work without the hassle of hoses or compressors. With AirStrike technology, it fires 16-gauge nails from 3/4 to 2.5 inches and holds up to 100 nails in its magazine for efficient reloading, making it perfect for trim, molding, and cabinetry. Equipped with LED lights, depth control, and tool-free jam release, this nailer is both convenient and user-friendly. Lightweight and capable of up to 1,000 nails per charge, it's an ideal companion for DIYers and pros alike. The PAJ100 Big Mouth Pliers by Strong Hand Tools, a tool crafted for versatility and strength across various gripping tasks. With an opening range from 1/4 to 3 inches, it securely holds large and small materials alike, making it ideal for welding, assembly, and general mechanical work. Its serrated jaws provide a firm grip, while the unique crank handle allows fast adjustments, even under pressure. Made from high-strength steel and coated to resist corrosion, these pliers are built to last, offering reliability for both professional and DIY projects. Meet the Zezzo Wiremag Puller, a practical tool that makes wire installation through walls effortless, all without needing to drill big holes. Built with high-power rare earth magnets, it smoothly pulls wires through surfaces up to 1 inch thick, including drywall and wood. The ergonomic handle with a soft touch grip ensures comfort, while its durable ABS casing protects the magnets for long-lasting use. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and can handle wires up to 0.25 inches, making it a versatile addition to any electrician's toolkit. The Flex GE6 R Giraffe is a powerful drywall and surface sander that brings professional results to your projects. With a 550-watt motor and adjustable speeds from 1,000 to 1,500 RPM, it's designed to tackle walls and ceilings effortlessly. Its 225mm disc covers large areas quickly, while the ergonomic, lightweight design ensures comfort during long sanding sessions. Compatible with dust extractors, it helps keep your workspace clean, making it an ideal tool for both contractors and DIY enthusiasts. The Makita MW001GZ is a powerful, portable 40-volt max XGT cordless microwave, perfect for heating meals on job sites, outdoor adventures, or any place you're on the go. Running on Makita's XGT batteries, it provides 2 power modes, 500 watts for fast heating and 350 watts for longer use, with a runtime of up to 35 minutes using 2 8.0 AH batteries. Its 8-liter capacity can handle standard meals, and the auto-switching 2-battery system keeps it running smoothly. Equipped with an LED control panel, a USB port for charging devices, and a sturdy handle, it combines convenience, durability, and portability effortlessly. Next, the KATA Hacksaw, a versatile tool crafted for both heavy-duty and precision cuts, is perfect for any toolbox. With a unique 2-in-1 design, it combines a 12-inch hacksaw for general cutting with a 10-inch mini hacksaw for precision tasks, making it ideal for a wide range of projects. Equipped with durable 65mm steel blades, this tool effortlessly slices through wood, metal, and more. Its ergonomic ABS handle ensures comfort, while the quick-change blade mechanism lets you switch blades with ease, offering a seamless cutting experience for both DIY enthusiasts and pros. Meet another game-changer, the Makita VR004G Concrete Vibrator, a high-powered tool crafted to ensure strong, compact concrete on any job site. With its 40-volt max XGT battery, it delivers up to 15,500 vibrations per minute, perfect for both light and heavy-duty work. The 1,200mm flexible shaft and 38mm head make it versatile enough for foundations, bridges, and roads, with a runtime of up to 40 minutes under load on a fully charged 4.0 Ah battery. Designed with a brushless motor for long-lasting efficiency, it's built for durability and comfort, giving professionals reliable performance in demanding conditions. The ThingaMeJig scribing tool is a precision instrument crafted for those who demand accuracy in every line. Made from durable stainless steel and aluminum, it's built to withstand wear while offering clean, sharp markings on wood, metal, and tile. Its adjustable arm and precision knob let you make micro adjustments, ideal for scribing on uneven surfaces and around corners. Lightweight and compact, this tool is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, bringing reliability and ease to every marking task. This is the Bosch GLM 27CG Professional, a top-tier laser measure designed for precision on demanding job sites. Equipped with a green laser for optimal visibility, it measures up to 50 meters with an accuracy of 1.5 millimeter, ensuring you get exact results every time. Its Bluetooth connectivity syncs measurements directly to Bosch's MeasureOn app, making project management a breeze. Built tough with IP65 dust and water resistance and shock protection, this tool is ready to withstand harsh conditions while delivering the reliability professionals need. Next, the RAIMONDI UP Tiler Pad, a practical support tool for tile work that brings stability and precision to every cut and drill. Designed to hold tiles up to 24 inches with a load capacity of 150 kilograms, it offers a secure, non-slip surface that prevents slipping during work. Its modular design allows multiple pads to be combined for larger support, making it ideal for various tile types and sizes. Durable and easy to handle, this pad is a reliable companion for both professionals and DIY tiling enthusiasts. Meet the Milwaukee MX Fuel 20-inch plate compactor, a powerful and eco-friendly solution for compacting soil and asphalt with ease. Powered by the MX Fuel red lithium battery system, it delivers 3,500 pounds of force with 5,000 vibrations per minute for uniform compaction, and travels at 82 feet per minute, letting you cover large areas quickly. With an onboard water tank for dust control and a push-button start, this compactor combines convenience with strength. Built with a shock-absorbing handle and LED lights, it's designed for tough jobs, whether you're working indoors or outdoors. This is the Woodpeckers' ultimate doweling jig, a precision tool that takes dowel joinery to a new level of accuracy and ease. It comes with 1/4 inch and 3 8-inch bushings and adjustable extension rods, allowing you to handle a variety of workpiece sizes effortlessly. With features like indexing pins for consistent spacing and an end stop for precise alignment, this jig ensures every dowel joint is strong and exact. Compact and organized with a storage case, it's perfect for both professionals and woodworking enthusiasts. Meet the Aztec screen washer, a game changer for cleaning window and door screens with ease and efficiency. Built with a sturdy aluminum body and weighing just 12 pounds, it's both durable and highly portable. The 4 overlapping brushes scrub the screen and frame at once, while foldable legs make setup a breeze. Simply connect to a garden hose, and in under a minute, you're ready to tackle screens of all sizes, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The Makita DML814 is a powerful 18-volt LXT cordless tower light built to brighten any work environment easily. With up to 3,000 lumens, it provides adjustable lighting for all tasks, and its telescopic mast extends to over 7 feet, effortlessly illuminating large areas. Designed to withstand harsh conditions, it's IP55 rated for dust and water resistance, and its foldable, portable design includes a shoulder strap for easy transport. Reliable, rugged, and versatile, it's the perfect companion for professional job sites. Next, the Malco FS2 F152 station bender, a precision tool crafted for professional metal bending, is perfect for custom roofing and flashing work. It easily handles materials like steel, aluminum, and copper, offering a bend depth range of 3/16 inches to 5 7/8 inches, and angles of up to 100 degrees. With adjustable rollers and a lightweight, portable design, it makes custom bends without scratching the surface. Built with durable CNC aluminum and stainless steel, it's a reliable companion for professional roofing and detailed metalwork. The RYOBI 18-volt 1 plus SWIFTClean Spot Cleaner is a powerful and portable cleaning tool, perfect for tackling fresh spills and messes with ease. Powered by the RYOBI 1 Plus battery, it provides up to 17 inches of water suction and an airflow of 17 cubic feet per minute, lifting dirt quickly from carpets, car seats, and upholstery. With a 0.6 cup solution tank and a 1 cup dirty tank, it's designed for efficient, mess-free cleaning. The powered scrub brush agitates stubborn spots, and its lightweight, cordless design allows for easy maneuvering anywhere, making cleanup quick and effortless. Meet the Makita DUS054, a cordless garden sprayer powered by an 18-volt LXT battery, perfect for keeping your garden lush and vibrant. With a 5-liter tank and up to 530 minutes of continuous spray time on a single charge, it's designed for both small and large tasks. The adjustable H-shaped nozzle offers mist and stream modes, while the telescopic spray wand makes reaching plants easy and efficient. Its ergonomic tank rests comfortably on your shoulder, and the IP54 dust and shower-proof rating ensures durability in outdoor conditions. Compact, eco-friendly, and powerful, it brings convenience to every gardening project. The Alloyman cordless screwdriver set is a versatile companion for all kinds of projects, from simple home fixes to intricate electronics work. It comes with 6 interchangeable bits that can be swiftly swapped using the slide switch, adapting easily to various screw types and sizes. Powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, it provides a powerful torque of 4.5 Newton meters and a speed of 200 revolutions per minute, capable of handling around 400 screws on a full charge. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, while the built-in LED light improves visibility in low-light areas, making it a durable and reliable choice even for demanding tasks. Next, the pitch hopper is a breakthrough tool designed for safe and stable work on sloped asphalt shingle roofs, ideal for roofing professionals, inspectors, and tradespeople needing secure footing on steep surfaces. Available in 24-inch and 32-inch models, it's made from a special foam that grips shingles firmly without damage, providing a reliable working surface on pitches up to 12 into 12. This dual-sided wedge can handle up to 3,000 pounds, though it's recommended for user weights up to 250 pounds. With its lightweight design, easy grip handles, and versatile applications from roof repair to gutter cleaning, the pitch hopper makes roof work both safer and more comfortable. This is the CtrlAX Premium Ultrasonic Cutter, a powerful and compact tool designed for precise cutting across a range of materials with ease. Weighing approximately 435 grams and consuming just 25 watts, it's both lightweight and energy efficient. Operating at 40,000 vibrations per second, it glides smoothly through plastics, leather, rubber, and more, while its ultrasonic technology reduces friction for delicate, accurate cuts. It has 5 specialized blades and handles everything from fine details to thicker materials. With an ergonomic handle and built-in safety features, it's a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. The Landzie 24-inch peat moss spreader is a sturdy, easy-to-use tool that makes lawn top dressing a breeze. Made from durable, powder-coated steel, it's built to last while resisting rust and wear. With a 2.75 cubic foot capacity and a diamond pattern mesh, it evenly sifts materials like peat moss, compost, and soil, filtering out larger debris for a smooth spread. Its hinged door and comfort grip handles make loading and use simple and efficient. Designed for reliable, even coverage, this spreader is ideal for creating a lush, healthy lawn. Meet the Makita DFS452ZX2, is a powerful 18-volt cordless screwdriver built for precise and efficient fastening in drywall and similar tasks. With a maximum torque of 1.5 Newton-meters and a no-load speed of up to 4,000 revolutions per minute, it efficiently handles demanding jobs. Push drive. Technology conserves battery power by activating only when engaging screws, reducing noise and boosting efficiency. The adjustable nose piece ensures consistent screw depth, and the LED light brightens up your workspace, while the soft grip handle offers comfort even during prolonged use. Equipped with an auto-feed attachment for handling screw strips, it's designed to enhance productivity and deliver reliable performance on demanding job sites. This is the Bosch GEX 18-volt 125, which is a powerful cordless random orbit sander that brings precision and flexibility to any sanding project. It operates on an 18-volt lithium-ion battery and is equipped with a 125mm sanding pad, delivering variable speeds from 6,000 to 10,000 revolutions per minute to easily handle different materials. The ergonomic design provides balanced control, while its efficient dust management system keeps your workspace clean. Compatible with Bosch's 18-volt professional system, it's a versatile tool perfect for tasks like finishing wood, removing lacquer, and smoothing out surfaces with consistent, high-quality results. The Klein Tool Mod Box is designed for professionals needing efficient, secure storage for their tools on the go. Its durable 10-inch rubber wheels provide smooth movement across various surfaces, while built-in side rails let you attach accessories for quick access to frequently used items. A fully removable telescoping handle allows for easy storage in tight spaces or compact vehicles. The back compartment can store longer, awkwardly shaped items, and the lid features a V-groove pipe slot, molded ruler, and steel-reinforced lock slot for added functionality. Made from impact-resistant polymers, the MOD box is IP65 rated and can hold up to 250 pounds, making it both rugged and reliable. The Festool ISC 240 is a cordless insulation saw designed to deliver precise and efficient cutting for a variety of insulation materials. Equipped with an 18-volt brushless EC-Tech motor, it reaches a stroke rate of 3,000 per minute, tackling even dense materials with ease. Interchangeable cutting sets allow it to adapt between flexible and rigid insulations, and its tool-free quick-change system makes material transitions smooth. Compatible with Festool guide rails for exact cuts and featuring an extraction adapter for dust control, this lightweight, ergonomic saw is a practical and versatile choice for insulation projects. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon!